This is what you've contributed. These are the 9 big ideas, and what you've put is why your project is the most important. And we're about to do a reveal. I'm feeling slightly nervous about this, but let's see what we've got here. Project number 1, create an advisory group. You have to begin with a collaborative, united leadership of key stakeholders to define the vision and competitive advantage so Meadowbrook can achieve its potential. That's pretty good. Is that table 1? Or am I looking at table 1? Well done. Good job. Project number 2, healthcare delivered by the private sector. And this project is the catalyst for supporting existing and providing new health services, buildings, development, influx of workers to improve the current health status in Logan, especially for children, as they are the future of Logan. So it's the catalyst for supporting existing and providing new health services, particularly for children. Well done. Project 2. Project number 3. This is the vision. Why it's the most important. Targeted investment and incentives because of the community impact. Table 3. That was particularly succinct. Number 4. Integrated transport. Because infrastructure funding commitment certainly will facilitate successful realisation of potential. Investors will flock to the precinct, will deliver integrated transport plan that provides a pathway for longer term public transport whilst providing operational short-term steps while working towards the ultimate solution. So it will provide certainty to facilitate successful realisation of potential. And number 5, strategic connectivity. A needs analysis will inform critical decision making about projects. So is that table at the back? Yeah, that sounds like a very wise statement. Number 6, the main street. What can we do? If you can make Meadowbrook more walkable and co-locating open space with coffee shops, it means we will affect change, be affordable and immediately attract investment. So that's making it walkable and co-locating open space. A shout out to Project 6. Who are you? Oh yeah, be proud. 7, Logan Lee train station. It's a hot topic, hasn't it, for the summit? It's important to the connectivity for the Meadowbrook community and outside. It provides economic opportunity, easy accessibility and creates a framework for better planning outcomes, including housing diversity and multimodal transport. So you've really reconfigured it from a train station to a place with housing diversity and where we can all come together. 8, revitalise the Meadowbrook Centre. To change the perception and build the vision. It creates immediate change and awareness that achieves short-term wins in a cost-effective way. I can see people are advocating very strongly for that one. You use cost-effective with a shadow finance minister in the room. And the last one, link Meadowbrook and Shayla Park, create better linkages and reduce traffic through Meadowbrook so that we can create a better place. So that's pretty impressive. And now what we want you to do is to do this. I want you to vote. And the challenge for you is to vote using the live polling as you did before. Choose the 3 most important projects for Meadowbrook. And just because it is number 1 on the screen doesn't mean it needs to be number 1. Okay, so 3 most important projects. I'm going to call it, I'm going to say at 28%, this room with the brains that we have, with the local knowledge and the local passion are saying the most important thing we can do is to create an advisory group. The second most important thing is healthcare delivered by the private sector to obviously support our public hospital. And then we have a couple of things, which is that land-based planning and improvements around the main street and the strategic connectivity. And so Thank you very much for participating. You don't need to continue to vote, but I feel as though we have a winner. I would like to thank you. It's not just the outcome here that matters, it's the contributions that you've been providing. And so the richness of what's gone down on paper is what's really important in order to make these things come to life. The other important thing are the connections that were made today. And I'm really heartened and encouraged by some of those discussions that we heard. I heard people saying, why can't we just walk out of here and form a joint venture together? Why can't we get back together and make some of these actions happen from tomorrow? And so that is particularly exciting.